Well, hey there, John from Big Dreams Travel, and going to show you around really quickly our room here on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. This is an interior stateroom for us here on Adventure of the Seas. This is a room that sleeps two. We've actually got two adjoining rooms for my family. Did that in an indoor this time, in an interior room. And so let's look around. Alright, so as we come into the room, again, this is a room for just two people. We do have adjoining rooms for my family on this trip. Did that in an interior as opposed to all sharing a room, but we do have a chair. That will be our adjoining door. And the bed area. There are nightstands on either side. This room is set up with the beds together. And then flipping around from the bed, a decent amount of floor space here. Not going to be too cramped for floor space there, but it is a room that just sleeps two. Television area. Down below here is the cooler. And then, of course, all of the drawers here. The top one does have your hairdryer. And then probably the safe. Yes, the safe right here above the television. And then just some storage shelves at the top. And then these little mirrors do open also, so you have some shelving there on either side of the mirror. There's the desk workstation. And more drawers on this side. There's a 220 outlet if you've got a converter. And then there are two 120 outlets. Air conditioner, and then back towards the entry. Show you the closet area. Nice shelving options all down the left side. And then space to hang here on this side, and there is some lower hanging racks if you need those, or those will move up out of the way if you don't. And then as I turn back around, a full-length mirror looking into the room. And then the bathroom. And I forgot the light on the other side. There we go. There's the restroom, typical Royal Caribbean restroom. There's some storage space on the side. Sink area, the shelf underneath. And then the pod shower, shelving in there. They are moving slowly over to combination hair and body wash in their bathrooms, but that will do it for this room. Again, a standard room for two here on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time.